don't know who charged that one down, but knock on conceded there by Royal, and it's St. Peter's ball just outside their 40 once again here. Break on the open side, and referee signaling a penalty taken quickly here by St. Peter's College, opting to run the ball here, and he's through. Narayan Dasan pulling him down there, the skipper, having a good game so far for Royal College, and Sri Lanka Sudharaga knocking on there. Vital mistake as St. Peter's have possession inside the Royal half. Sri Lanka Sudharaga with the knock on there, and costly mistake for Royal here, and vital possession for St. Peter's College inside the Royal 22. These pictures are being brought to you by Le Royal in collaboration with the Papare.com here, and sorry about the pictures we brought you today because the location is not the best once again, not inside the ground. We have to bring it to you from a house adjoining the ground, so not the best of view here for us here, but still we are trying to bring you these pictures as best as possible. As the referee called the captains over, it seems to be a warning for the St. Peter's College fly half. Knock on once again, as he plays the knock on inside the Royal half. St. Peter's on the stroke of half time would definitely want to capitalize and try to get some points on the board here, as 10 points plays nothing at the moment. Royal try scorer Narayan Dasan, the captain, Mushin Falil with the conversion and a penalty to his name as well. St. Peter's work the line, offloaded there, knocked on by the St. Peter's centre three-quarter, and Royal possession. So St. Peter's just seem to lack that finishing touch on their moves here, and have given the ball away in very vital positions to Royal College. And Royal College every time, even though some mistakes have been made, have been able to get out of jail in this first half so far, as 10 points plays nothing. Hamza Hassan breaking on the blind side. On the open side actually, as Akil Satuk feeds Kalna Amarasinghe. Oh, big hit there by the number 5, Kalna Amarasinghe, coming back from an injury, really strengthening this Royal attack here, as Hamza Hassan once again, Chamara Dabre in support. And St. Peter seem to have stolen the ball here. Stole the ball there, good work there. Penalty to Royal as Narayan Dasan puts that one out, and it's Royal ball inside the St. Peter's 40. Royal going for a intricate line out move and free kick. Two men can't be in outside the line out and come in. Royal giving the free kick away because of that. Two men outside the line out coming in and joining the line out. You can only have one man outside the line out and coming in, as the referee clearly pointed out there. And St. Peter's capitalizing on that, working the ball down. Royal conceding a knock on, and it's St. Peter's ball once again inside their 40. St. Peter's number 8, they've used him quite a lot today, broken on a number of occasions here. St. Peter's come off with the little come off box kick there. Shabir Mohammed brings that one up for all, the fullback. Tackled in possession as numbers get in there finally. Akil Satuk opting for, and nice little Chamar Dabre here. Fantastic turn of speed there by Chamar Dabre, but foot into touch. And that's half time as Royal lead at the moment, 10 points to nothing. Mushin Falil with a penalty, and after that Naren Dasan, a fantastic try. Mushin Falil adding the extra points, and 10 plays nothing at the moment at Bambalapitia. So far Naren Dasan's been a standout performer for Royal.